In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a glitch transition in Clipchamp. Whether you want to add a modern, edgy flair to your videos, or create a dynamic shift between scenes, glitch transitions are a fantastic way to add interest. So, let's dive right into the process, and I'll walk you through step by step. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and search for Clipchamp. Once you've loaded the website, you're going to need to log in to access your projects. If you don't have an account already, simply follow the prompts to create one. It's quick and easy. After logging in, the next step is to start a new project. Clipchamp makes it straightforward to get going, so go ahead and create that new project. Once you're in, ensure you have at least 2 video clips that you want to work with. These clips should be arranged on your timeline, side by side, in the order you want them to play. Positioning them correctly is crucial as the glitch transition will bridge the gap between these clips. Now, you'll notice a toolbar on the left side of your screen. Go ahead and click on the Transitions tab. This is where the magic happens. Once in the Transitions section, take your time to scroll through the various options. You'll see an array of interesting choices, specifically several glitch options like glitch, glitch reveal, digital glitch, pixelate, and TV interference. Each of these has a unique look and feel, so take a moment to preview them to see which fits best with the vibe you're going for in your video. Once you've found a glitch effect you like, select it by clicking and dragging it directly onto your timeline. You'll want to place it precisely in the space between your 2 video clips. Don't worry too much about positioning. Clipchamp is designed to be intuitive and will automatically snap your transition into place between those clips. After you've inserted the glitch transition, take another look through your project to ensure everything flows smoothly and you are satisfied with the result. You can always adjust the position or even try different glitch transitions to find what works best. If you like what you see, it's time to finalize your video. Head over to the Export button, which is typically found towards the top of the interface. Click it and then select your desired video resolution. Higher resolutions will look crisper but may take longer to export, so choose according to your needs. And there you have it. You've mastered adding a glitch transition to your videos in Clipchamp. With a little practice, you'll be able to incorporate these seamlessly into your future projects. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.